Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about mixture of experts. It's one of the coolest trick modern LLMs use to become faster and smarter without increasing computation too much. So by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how it works. Now before we jump into what MoE is, we need to understand the problem it solves. So nowadays, transformers are becoming huge with billions of parameters. And here's the actual issue. In standard models, it doesn't matter if a token is math related or a story related. Everything goes to this one big neural network. And this invokes billions of parameters each and every time, which is really costly. And quality can also suffer because these billions of parameters are combination of every category. It's more like a generalized neural network. But the funny thing is, for each token, the model doesn't need every parameter. That's what MoE solves. So let's see how. Let's see how MoE solves that. So mixture of experts means we don't really activate the whole model. We only activate one or two experts that works at a time. So this reduces computation while keeping models quality high. Basically, we divide big neural network into multiple specialized small neural networks. Okay, so let's talk about the terminologies. What are the experts? What is this gate thing? And basically, how does this work? Okay, so think of experts like a mini models, small mini models. Each expert has a specialty, just like in real life. If you ask, so basically, expert is a small neural network that is specialized in a special type of input. So if a small neural network is specialized in logic calculations and form of proofs, then it's a math expert. And if that small neural network is specialized in a creative writing, narrating, or a flow, then it's a story experts. It's that simple. Let's talk about gating network. The gating network is a small classifier that chooses. So the gate looks at your input and says, this token looks like a mathematical. Send it to the math expert. And this looks like a coding. Send it to the coding expert. And if it belongs to math and story both, send this to both. Simple. It's as simple as that, but it's really powerful. You can see you don't have to activate whole neural network because of just one token, right? So this is the whole concept of MoE. But how this gate takes decisions? It uses a really simple equation you can see here. And at the end of it, it gets a probability for each expert. And it picks the top K expert out of it. And that's how it assigns the expert to each and every token. So there are some popular MI models, included the switch transformers and some Google's models are there, some Mistral's models are there. They are very popular models and they all use MoE. And these models uses MoE to beat dense models while spending like way less compute. To summarize everything, the advantages we get: low computation, high scalability, better specialization, and faster inference. And at the end of this video, I just want to say one thing, that magic of MoE is simple. You get the power of a giant model, but the speed of a small one. So that's it for today, guys.